Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to uninstall and delete apps on your iPhone. To do this, first of all, open your settings and hit on the general. There you will see iPhone storage, go through it. Here you will see all of your application that exist in your iPhone. Open any apps that you want to uninstall or delete. Here you will see two options. If you do offload app, then it will only free up your storage used by the app, but it will keep your data. But if you delete this app, then it will completely delete data as well. So, in my point of view, you should always do offload app to uninstall or delete app. Click on the offload app and then your app is deleted from your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.